friends, how are you all? So friends, in this video I will show you how to make a Bluetooth speaker at home with LED display and remote. So friends, the things you will need is this Bluetooth module with LED display and many more options. It will be available in market in 100 rupees to 120 rupees. And this remote, you will get this remote with this module only. The next thing is this 5-volt amplifier which will be available in the market in 50 to 60 rupees. Next is this USB wire, you can see I have extended it. And the most important thing, two speakers. You can see I am using one this and one this speaker. So let's start making it. Friends, you can see you will get these two connector pins with this Bluetooth module which will be put here. This is for the power and this is for left, right and antenna. So friends, you can see this amplifier. Here is written ground, right, left and right. You can see. Now you can see here are also three wires, ground, left and right. Now we have to solder this left wire with the left terminal of the amplifier, right with the right and ground with the ground. Now I will solder and then show you. Friends, you can see I have soldered this wire left, ground and right to this amplifier. Now you can see you will get one more connector pin for the power. You have to attach it here like this, and you can see here are two wires for negative and positive terminal. And you can see I have also soldered two wires on this amplifier for negative and positive. Blue one is the positive and yellow is the negative. Now we have to connect both with each other. So friends, you can see I've connected both of the wires, means totally all the wires with each other. Now you can see here are two terminals for left speaker and right speaker. Now we will connect the wires for this. Friends, first we have to fit it in a small box also. First I will fix it and then show you. Friends, you can see I have fitted this Bluetooth module here and this amplifier here in this box. So friends, if you will see here I have done a small hole for the fixing of the wire, for the fixing of this power wire, USB wire. Now we will put it here and tie a knot here so it will not come out. So you can see friends, like this. Now it will not come out. Same we have to do like speakers, with speakers. Now you can see this is the wire of the speaker. Here a small hole, this side also, this side, both side we have to do the same thing. Friends, now you can see I have put all the wires inside it, and this red wire is for antenna. You can put it here outside. Now I will do the connections of this speaker wires to this left out and right out of the amplifier. Then I will show you. So friends, you can see now I have done all the connections and closed this box. Now I will show you how it works and how it is voice. For working it, you will need this 5-volt charger, and I have plugged this USB in it. Now I have to directly plug it in the board. Now when we will on this, you can see
Bluetooth mode.
You can hear the voice. Now you can see I will connected it phone, and friends, I will play NCS song because of copyright. I'm connecting it. You can see here BTV9.
Paired.
Now you can see it is paired. Now I will play the song and show its voice. And friends, you can control its voice and play the music with remote also. So friends, you can see this remote Here is volume plus, minus, forward, backward, stop, many options. Now you can see when I will do plus, the volume is increasing and volume is reducing. And friends, you can play the music from this remote also, and here is the equalizer. You can make the voice according to your. And friends, here are 4 modes also like this.
FM mode, AUX mode, Bluetooth mode.
So friends, in this
Here.
video, this much only. Till then, subscribe to my channel, like my videos and share the videos. Thank you, goodbye.